Here you can see for the first time for this motor show, for the Frankfurt Motor Show, we decided to do this DS4 crossback concept car. With this car, we have the new front identity of the brand with the DS wing grille. You can see this grille connected to the headlamp. It's our new brand identity. We have now the same front identity on new DS5, now on new DS4. And we develop a special technique headlamp. On this headlamp, the DS LED Vision headlamp, you can see a full LED headlamp with the 3 LED modules. And we have more than 84 LEDs on this headlamp. And it's a very high-end technology. And the principal characteristic of this headlamp is the way how we stage the technology. You can see these 3 LED modules are like a jewel. It's like a stone with the 2 pieces of metal who takes the stone. And it's very technological. Another thing very important on this car, very unique, is the way how we design the body, because we apply on this body specific graphic design. It was made by parametric design. It's a new way to create new shape and new surfaces. And we apply on all the body on this car a specific graphic. You can see all the triangle, and it looks very unique and give something very unique on the car. Something very incredible on this car, it's a new material technology, because we use a genuine stone on this car. You can see on the side mirror, on the wheels, on the roof bar. And it's a genuine stone. It's a very thin layer of real stone applied on this element. And it's very unique in the automotive industry, because for the very first time we use this material on the exterior of a vehicle. And it's not only for this concept, because we are working with our engineers to introduce this material on the production car. In the very next future, maybe 1 year, or 2 years, or 3 years, you will see this material on production car, in the exterior of the car or in the interior of the car. Something very unique on this car is the interior of the car. You can see our very famous and iconic watch strap design. And we do a special edition of these seats with a mix of metallic piece of the seats and leather. And we mix together the metal on the leather in the center of the seat. And on this interior, we have a full leather interior. The dashboard, the side door panel, the seats, of course, are made with very high quality of leather, like the production car. Because on new DS4, on new DS4 Crossback, we have a full interior leather. It's very unique in the C segment premium car. We are the only one to do this sort of interior color and trim definition. Here on the DS booth, we have the 2 sellers, and these 2 sellers are part of the DS design team. They work very closer, they work together with our designers. And the designers, they imagine the future of our interior, the future design, for example, of the seats. And we are very lucky because they can work directly. We have a direct connection, and we have a very high level of know-how with these 2 people. And it's very unique in the automotive industry because we have the only one design center to integrate sellers in the design team. And here on this table you can see all the different quality of leather and how to apply the leather on different pieces of the car. Here you can see, for example, our know-how to have on this key, the DS key, you have the central piece of this key is made by leather with a very thin layer of leather. It's very unique, and it's strong part of our strategy and strong part of our know-how.